don't care what they think of me, because they were never there when I was fighting battles in silence. They didn't see the nights I stayed awake, the mornings I got up broken but still moving. They judge from the outside, but they'll never feel what I've endured inside. I no longer live for approval, applause, or validation. I live for growth, for peace, and for purpose. I don't need to be liked. I need to be I don't seek befitting. I was born to stand out. Their opinions are noise. Their doubts are fuel. Their silence is freedom. I'm not cold. I'm focused. I'm not arrogant. I'm aware. I've built myself